So we're going to go ahead and open up DW quarterly expense. And once we have that open, we're going to enable the editing. And we are going to save this with a 5 and a dash at the beginning. Still putting it in the Chapter 5 folder. And basically what we're going to do is create some linking formulas. Basically, you're going to be linking cells from one sheet into another. So you want to make sure that you're in the first quarter tab, and we're going to select C4 through C10. And we're going to click on copy. Then we're going to go into quarter 2, and we're going to activate cell C4. And what we want to do is paste a link to the cells that we copied. So we don't want to just paste the values. We actually want to link to the original data. So we're going to click on the arrow. And we want to come down here and paste the link. So it's pulling in the values from the first quarter sheet. Okay, so this is how it knows to pull the values from here into here. So basically, if we change something over in first quarter, second quarter is going to pick up that change automatically. And that is one of the reasons why you do a linking formula. And let's see, we're going to go into the third quarter tab. I'm going to activate C4, and we're also going to paste the link here. And we're going to do the same thing in quarter 4. Activate C4 and paste the link. Then we're going to go back to first quarter, and you'll notice that you've got the animated rectangle. People also refer to it as marching ants. We're going to press escape to get rid of that. What they want us to do next is to insert a formula in each worksheet that subtracts the budgeted amount from the variance. So we need to be in the first quarter sheet. And we're going to shift and click on the fourth quarter because it is the same formula in the same location in all 4 sheets. So we're just going to enter it in one of the sheets, and it's going to be picked up in all of them. So we're going to click on D4, and we're going to key in the equal sign for the calculation. And we're going to click on the budgeted amount, subtracting out the actual, and then we're going to press enter. And we're going to click up on that formula and fill it down. And then we're going to activate D4, and we're going to apply the accounting format. And just to verify that this worked, we'll go into quarter 2, and you should see that it has indeed put that formula in here. Same with quarter 3 and quarter 4. And you'll also notice that it did keep the formatting that we specified for cell D4. And we're going to go back to the first quarter. And they want us to make changes to a couple of the linked cells. And what you're going to notice when we look in quarters 2, 3, and 4 is that those changes are going to be picked up. So in cell C4, we're going to change 126 to 128,000. Okay, and if you look, you'll notice that it automatically picked that up. And then we're going to go to C5, And this is going to be 56,000. And then we're going to go to C9 and change it to 2,400. And again, those changes got picked up in all of the sheets because we linked them to first quarter. So any change that happens in first quarter is automatically going to happen to the other sheets as well. Okay, and at this point, we are going to go ahead and save our changes.